Hey, what's up you guys? Medyo husky voice natin ngayon kasi may bagong album na lalabas na I'm sure na abangan nyo this Christmas. Robbie, Christmas in Our Hearts. And bawal ba yun? And medyo husky voice kasi kakapunta natin sa Plazuela de Iloilo for the Sprite event. But I had fun and I just want to take this opportunity to thank everyone for voting me. Alam kong medyo mahal ang 250 pesos. Per text pa yun. And maski ako na mahalan ako kaka-text. And sana, salamat salamat sa effort, salamat sa pagboto. And whatever happens tomorrow, sana manalo tayo. And I'm gonna offer the award. Kung bigyan man ako ng speech, I'm gonna offer the award to the raw believers and the RTC people. So thank you. And kung may mga future contests, kayo na bahala kung decide din. Pero that award sana is meant for not just for me, but for the raw believers as well. So thank you. And bye-bye.